Dear students, welcome to the Math Olympiad Academy. Let us first explain the concept behind today's exercise to help you understand it better. We are given the imaginary unit I, which satisfies the important identity. I squared equals -1. Our question is the following. What is the value of I raised to the power -I? Take your time to calculate it, and then choose the correct answer. Note, for this exercise, use pi approximately 3.14. Using our mathematical proof, we will determine the correct answer at the end. Before solving the problem, let us recall some basic and essential facts about complex numbers. First, remember that any complex number z can be written in its algebraic form as x plus I times y, where x and y are real numbers. We can also represent this number using the complex plane, with the horizontal axis for the real part and the vertical axis for the imaginary part. Let us also consider an angle theta formed between the positive horizontal axis and the line representing the complex number. This angle, theta, can vary from 0 along the horizontal axis up to pi/2 when the number lies on the positive vertical axis. Now, recall Euler's famous formula. E power I theta equals cosine of theta plus I times sine of theta. This formula allows us to convert a complex number from algebraic form into exponential form. Let us now apply this idea to the number I. On the complex plane, the number I has coordinates 0 plus 1i. Its modulus is 1. Its argument is pi/2. Therefore, using Euler's formula, we can write I equals e power I times pi/2. Now we return to our original question. We want to find the value of I power -I. Let us raise both sides of the equation to the power -I. We obtain I power negative. I equals the quantity e power I times pi/2, all raised to the power -I. Now apply the exponent rule. E power A, all raised to the power B, equals e power AB. So we get I power -I equals e power -I multiplied by pi/2. Next, simplify the expression inside the exponent. -I times I equals +1. Therefore, we obtain I power -I equals e power pi/2. This value is a real number, even though the base and the exponent are imaginary. Now, we arrive at the key step. The complex number I raised to the power of -I can be written as e raised to the power of pi/2. That is, I to the power of -I equals e to the power of pi/2. We can also express this as the square root of e raised to the power of pi. In other words, the square root of e to the power of pi. Using the proposed approximate values of e, which is 2.71, and pi, approximated to 3.14, the square root of e to the power of 3.14 gives a value close to 4.78. Now let us compare this result with the proposed choices. Therefore, e power pi/2 is approximately equal to 4.78. Among the 5 proposed answers, the value that matches is 4.78. So the correct choice is the option equal to 4.78. Final answer. I raised to the power -I equals e power pi/2, which is approximately 4.78. Note, if you use full precision for e and pi on a calculator, the result will be close to 4.81. Great job, dear students! Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next problem-solving lesson at Math Olympiad Academy to acquire skills and the art of problem-solving.